What's good, YouTube? This your boy J Diggy 92 coming at y'all with another unboxing. I've been waiting for this for a minute, and if y'all watch my what's this month May releases jump that I just dropped like this week, last week, one of the weeks, I talked about this shoe and how I wanted it, but I didn't know if I was gonna cop it and all this other stuff. And if I'm like low-key quiet, it's because my girl's asleep. I don't wake her up, but I gotta get this review out because this shoe right here drops on a random ass day. So shout out to StockX one time for the one time. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this review because I get this y'all out. And it's the only reason, what's today, Wednesday? The only reason y'all getting an unboxing on a fucking Wednesday. Now what type of box did they put this shit in? This shit's trash, jeez. Hopefully this is the right shoe because if not, I'll be mad as hell. It should be though. So, like I said, shout out to StockX, but if you watched my May releases, which I doubt you did because you're probably new to this channel and you just clicked on this video and you like, damn, who is this? This nigga cool. I'm only here for the shoes. I don't really give a fuck about nothing else. Welcome. Hopefully you hit that like and you're now subscribed to the Finesse Kicks channel. But yeah, if you watch this, y'all know I wanted this and I've been waiting for it because I bought it like with the quickness. So we can go ahead and talk about this Air Jordan 14 Retro in desert sand, black and white. So y'all hearing that, know these are desert sand 14s. Retail on these is $190, and I'm gonna just tell y'all how much I paid for them off the hip because I wanted them, and I don't know, like I'll explain it in a few, but I paid $247.95. Man, it wasn't bad, but it wasn't the greatest neither. So we got a little note from the StockX. Oh, they got the order information. They had $247.95, size 11.5. Dead stock, 100% authentic, man. Authentic, man. But let's go ahead and get into the shoe. I want to see if the hype is worth it. Okay, same card we always got, but this is the shoe that I'm hype over. I know y'all getting white blasted like a motherfucker, but my pair personally, they feel good. They feel good than a motherfucker. Somebody wore these already? Fuck. I don't think so. I think that just might be glue stains. But these are fire. These are absolute, yeah, they just glue stains. Cause I was like, boy, I was gonna be mad as hell if I paid that much. But yeah, I wanted these desert sands, right? And I'm gonna talk about them real quick, and I'll explain more in the video. What the hell? Oh, it's like particles of the box on it. That's why I was like, what the fuck is all this shit on it? But yeah, these are my first thoughts and opinions, and I gotta explain to y'all why I paid as much as I did, right? So I'm gonna say this now and in the review, just in case people don't watch this, cause they like an unboxing. I don't give a fuck. These drop on the 15th of May, which is next fucking Tuesday, y'all. They drop on the first day of Ramadan. Like, I only know cause iPhone gang. But so I was like the 15th. I was hearing conflicting stories, like the 19th. One website would say the 19th, another one would say the 15th, and all the other shit, right? So I was just like, man, what the fuck day is it? So I went ahead and pulled the trigger on these, right? Never owned a pair of 14s ever. So shouts out to all the reviews I watched, and my homie Moon for hipping me to what size, right? I needed, so I just went true to size. I said, fuck it. I hear they run small, and I hear they run big, and I don't fucking know. So I just went true to size, and then I was like, I'll play it by ear by then. So I got these mainly because I didn't know how limited these would be, right? So I didn't want to run the risk of me thinking, oh, it's a random Tuesday, nobody gonna give a fuck, right? Get there, these bitches is gone because they didn't raffle them and ticket them, right? And then, or be like, think it's a Tuesday, they actually come out on a Saturday, and I'm fucked. So that's really why I bought them early, because I know I say I never buy early pairs, but it's just these I really wanted, and I said fuck it, I might as well, because I don't right now, I don't like taking risks with the way Jordan is set up, and I'll explain more in the review. But yeah, Desert Sand 14 unboxing. I got another unboxing from StockX to do in a separate video, so be on the lookout for that. But this one is dropping this Saturday, so if you're seeing this right now, I just recorded it and I just edited the shit to get it out to y'all today, so I could do the shit on Saturday, because I want to give y'all different looks and on feats to where y'all be like, I don't fuck with them, I don't want to cop them, or I fuck with them, so I'm going to cop them. But yeah, I was gonna hold the shoe up and do all that shit, but just look out for the review. It's coming like this Saturday. I'm gonna make sure I drop it early because I got some like stuff to do off early Saturday morning. So if y'all don't get it early Saturday morning, y'all will get it like midday afternoon Saturday. So cause I got some stuff to do. Mother's Day is coming up, and I'm not no bum. But Desert 14th unboxing. Shout out to StockX once again, and I'm gonna get y'all up out of here so I can do this review and on feet. Hopefully I can get this on feet done. I want to give y'all hella looks, but I don't have hella clothes with me. I'm in my girl spot, which I wasn't supposed to be here, but I said fuck it. I'm not gonna see her for a grip, so I chose to just stay here and then go back home on Thursday night. So y'all, I know y'all give a fuck. So review coming. Make sure y'all watch out for that. Hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, join the motherfucking God Squad. Cause you already know we guys in this bitch. Konnichiwa, motherfucker. All that good shit. If you want to follow me, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that. JD92. Love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Shout out to the art page, Finesse God Masterpieces. Review is coming. I'm working on that right now as we speak. So, well, as we speak, saying, cause this is out and you're watching it, so I'm probably editing it or filming it right now. So yeah, I love y'all. Thank you for watching. It's gonna be same clothes, cause as soon as I cut this video off, I'm recording the next one. So y'all be like, oh, we seen that in the boxing, boy, you dirty as shit. Hey, it is what it is, bruh. It's actually within like the same hour, bitch. So I'm not changing just for a new review. It's just the same day in the same hour. Fuck you want me to do? That's doing too much. But yeah, I love y'all. Thank you for watching. Like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all. Review is coming Saturday, I promise. Watch that bitch, dog. Watch it.